Lost in the wilderness with no gear? Don't panic. Whether you're stranded without matches, need clean water, or just forgot your camping essentials, everyday items can become lifesavers. These clever survival hacks will transform ordinary objects into essential tools. Without further ado, let's get started. Take a gum wrapper with foil and cut a narrow strip. Touch the foil to both the positive and negative battery terminals simultaneously. It will heat up and ignite cotton soaked in alcohol. Take a match and make several cuts at the base of the head. Fluff up the wood to create a feathery structure. A regular match goes out quickly and can't start a fire. A prepared match with fluff wood ignites brightly and holds the flame. Use it to start a fire. Light a candle and wait for the wax to become liquid. Dip the match heads into the melted wax. These matches aren't afraid of water. They light easily even after being completely soaked. Pour water into a saucer. Light a match, wait until it burns halfway, and carefully place it on the water. The match will turn and indicate direction. The unburned end points north, the burned end points south. A homemade compass is ready. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Make a hole in the cap and insert a cotton swab or cloth into the neck. Pour dirty water into the homemade funnel. The cotton will filter out impurities and you'll get clean water. Attach a bottomless bottle to a tree with the neck facing down and pour water into it. Open the cap and wash up. A camping hand wash station is ready. Take a piece of heat shrink tubing and seal one end with a lighter. Soak cotton in alcohol, place it inside the tube, and seal the other end. A compact fire starter is ready. On a hike, cut off a piece, take out the soaked cotton, and quickly start a fire. Thoroughly soak cotton pads with flammable liquid WD-40 or another spray. Place them in a plastic Kinder Surprise egg. The sealed packaging will protect the fire starter from moisture. Take out a pad and instantly start a fire. Take an aluminum can and remove the top. Cut a hole in the side and bend part of the metal inward, creating a stand. Place a tablet of solid fuel on the stand inside the can and light it. A compact burner is ready. Boil water or warm your hands in the cold. Place an armful of branches on a rope and tie it with this knot. It securely holds firewood and unties easily when needed. If the rope starts to tear, tie a stopper knot. It will limit the tear and prevent the rope from tearing further. Another method, make two loops and thread the torn part through them. You'll get the same reliable stopper knot. If you get lost in unfamiliar terrain, don't panic. Open the compass app on your phone. It will help you orient yourself and find the right direction to water or the way out of the forest. Take a plastic bottle and unscrew the cap. Cut off the top part and make a small cut in the bottom. Cut a triangular opening in the cap. Insert a knife into the cap across the triangle and secure it. Thread the edge of the bottle through the slot and pull. The bottle will unravel into a long, strong rope. Use this rope for tying things on a hike. Durable material always comes in handy. Draw a spoon silhouette on a plastic bottle. Cut out the spoon along the contour. Singe the edges with a lighter so they become smooth and safe. Improvised spoons are ready. Cut a watermelon and eat it with company. Cut two rings connected by a bridge from a plastic bottle. Bend the piece and you'll get an improvised cup with a handle. Stack 4 layers of foil on top of each other. Place an aluminum can with a beverage and wrap tightly with foil. Carefully fold the edges at the top. Remove the can and you have a disposable foil cup ready. Wood matches are useless in low light. Cut off 2 bottlenecks from plastic bottles along with their caps. Apply glue to one part and connect the necks together. Cut the striker from a matchbox and glue it to the inside of the cap. Place matches inside the container and screw on the cap. The sealed container will protect matches from water. The striker is always at hand, strike directly on the cap. Place matches and the striker from the box inside a balloon. Tie the balloon, it will completely protect the matches from water. On a hike, simply cut the balloon and take out dry matches ready to use. Pack a lighter using the same principle. The balloon will protect the flint from moisture. Cut a hole in an aluminum can. Secure the gas release button on the lighter with a rubber band and attach it to the bottom of the can. Light the gas, you'll get an improvised burner for cooking. Take safety precautions, this is flammable. Take a cardboard tube from paper towels and flatten it. Insert a knife inside and secure it with a rubber band. A safe knife sheath is ready. Store it in your backpack without risk of cutting yourself. Find 2 fork sticks and 1 long pole. Stick the forks into the ground and place the pole on top. Clean out the watermelon flesh. Thread the pole through the rind, you'll get a hanging pot. Pour in water and cover with the other half of the rind. Build a fire underneath. The water will boil right in the watermelon pot. Add instant noodles and cook yourself lunch in camping conditions.